Why do juvenile offenders get probation in court? Have you ever wondered why some young people who get into trouble with the law do not end up in jail? Instead, they might find themselves on probation. Let's take a closer look at this process and why it happens. Juvenile offenders often receive probation as a way to help them learn from their mistakes while avoiding harsher penalties like incarceration. The goal of probation is to provide a chance for these young individuals to show that they can behave responsibly. During probation, the juvenile must follow specific rules set by the court. These rules can include attending school regularly, following curfews, and staying away from certain people. Sometimes, they may even have to allow searches by probation officers. In the juvenile court system, probation is a common outcome. This is because it allows the court to keep an eye on the young person's progress while also offering support. A juvenile probation officer plays a key role in this process. They assess the juvenile's situation and work with the family to address any issues that may have led to the delinquent behavior. Probation conditions can vary widely. Some juveniles may be required to attend counseling sessions, complete community service, or pay restitution to victims. All these measures are designed to encourage accountability and help the young person develop positively. One of the reasons probation is favored in juvenile cases is that young people are still growing and learning. They often respond better to guidance and support than to being locked away. The juvenile court system aims to balance keeping the community safe while helping these youths reintegrate into society successfully. If a juvenile does not follow the terms of their probation, the court can impose additional consequences or consider more serious options. The process usually starts with an arrest and an initial hearing to determine if the juvenile should be detained. After that, probation officers conduct assessments to help the court decide on the best course of action. If the court finds the juvenile guilty of a delinquent act, a hearing will determine the appropriate response. Probation is often the most common outcome. This system allows for regular check-ins to monitor compliance and progress. If the juvenile meets all the requirements, they may even have their probation terminated early. In essence, juvenile offenders receive probation because it creates a structured environment focused on rehabilitation and accountability. This approach reflects the unique goals of the juvenile court system, aiming to help young people learn from their mistakes while ensuring community safety.